Hey YouTube, we're playing a game called Hybrid Animals, and I have no idea what this game is. Okay, so we're going to try, let's go for a pig. And let's see something, come on. In the next video, if I play this game, I'm going to play it in... I messed up there. Tell me what animals you want to breed in the comments. And then part 2, I will breed those animals. Thank you. So let's play. So we have a pig for a mother. We have a pig for a father over there. Look at him. He's like, I want my pig. I want my mud. Where's my mud? So, guys, are you freaking serious? Accept this. I accept this. Is Santa fast? Come on. Look at me! Pokemon. Porky. Accept again. Look at me! I have Fireball. Hey dude, Fireball. Well, he just got knocked out. Run speed. Ooh, I can run fast, can't I? Pretty sure. I can run fast like eat. Do I actually eat that? Why do I eat that stuff? Plus guys, I have a rainbow. I have a rainbow fidget spinner with me. Look at this. He just has a sad face. Oh no, now he's mad at me. No. No. Don't hit me. I'm level 3. Ooh, more speed. The key is speed. The key is speed. I hate you now. I run fast. Look at me. You can't catch ever this port. Santa pig. You can't catch the Santa pig. If you even try, you will fail. Right. Because I shoot fireballs. Look at me. Yeah. I'm the blaming pig. No one can stop me. Dun, 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 dun. No one can stop this pig because oh god, that did not work. Holy freaking respawn. Alright, we need new ones. Okay, so let's find one. An octopus. Ooh, a scorpion. Try a bear. And a bunny. Oh my. Looks like he's about to kill me. What the heck? A squirrel. A snake. How fast? A duck. No, true scorpion. Bear plus a scorpion. A Russian pincher. Special ability, eagle eye. Let's try it. What is it? Ew, whoa. I see everything. Eagle eye. Manage powers. Oh, it's at the end of the list. Look at me, I have an eagle eye and I'm going to destroy y'all. Maybe I shouldn't really. Can I destroy y'all? Nope. Run. Eagle eye doesn't really help me in battle. Mom, I gotta kill me. Oh, and there is going to be a video where I'm showing secrets. Yup, secrets. I'm tired of dying. Let's get a pufferfish. And then a salmon. I haven't done sea critters. Because they're critters. Now, where is a salmon? I bet you it's going to be so weird. I can just bet you. What the heck? We're going to do guitar. That's your father. What do they have else? You want a cheeseburger? See what it does. Let's see what this does. Guitar plus cheeseburger. See this. Oh no, go stick burger. You give me freaking. Okay, let's try something else. Sorry, I had to pause that. No copywriting today. So, let's try. This is the father. Where's the cheeseburger? I'm gonna try starfish. With a Yeti. With a Yeti. Starfish with a Yeti. Yeti and starfish. What's gonna happen? Star Yeti. Whoa, my god. Okay. I heard this one's been pretty good. And looks awesome. Spider. And a bee. If I can find a wasp. It's actually a wasp. No, not a bee. That's an ant. There's an ant. And look at that seahorse. Don't make fun of me. I almost called that a duck. Oh, look at that. There's a goose. And then... Bruh. There you are. Spider plus wasp. Spider plus wasp. A wolf buzzer. He looks awesome, except... I can heal myself out of the power. Oh no. There you look sad. Hello. Nope. Crafting. Basket home. I need 6 sticks. I want a home. I want to live places that I love. Ooh, some pennies. I want more animals. Wow. Ooh, my flamingo, grasshopper, kitten, astronaut, devil, tree, plastic dude. Wow, those are so all animals. And I get a dragon. I want a dragon. My ginger's here. I hate this. I'm gonna heal myself. Oh, you dodged it. Come the heck back here, you stupid. I'm gonna kill you. I'm going to kill you. Comment down below what would you breed in this game. Cause I'm still chasing this dude. Just come the heck over here. I want to go fast like you. Yeah. Stop dodging. I hate you. Can you just die? Sir, oh, now he's mad, isn't he? He's not going to fight. Why aren't you fighting? If I actually kill him, what the... He's not fighting. He didn't fight. Is he gonna fight back? Yep, he's gonna fight back. He is so going to fight back. I heal myself. You can't kill me. If you can't... I collected a berry. What can you craft with the berry? Tell me something you can craft with a berry. Oh, yeah. Now it's potion. Nice. And watch Dark Ghost 423. I'll put his channel in the description down below. Okay, here's a challenge for me. If I die one more time, I'm going to have to do the 2 worst animals in the world. Alright, let's see if I can die. Well, not die, actually. Why would I... Why'd I just... Why? I don't know. Okay, so... And if I die with the worst animals in the world... Well, we're just gonna do one more breed, and then that's the end of the video, kinda. So let's fight this level 13. Oh, it's a kangaroo. I want to kill it. Come on. See if I can die. I don't really want to die because you are hard. I want to fight you now. All of a sudden, I want to fight you. Why are you mad? Why are you freaking mad? Yeah, I'll fight you back. Help me. No one helped me. Hello, darkness, man. Okay, so the turtle's really slow. That's the worst. What else is the worst animal I could possibly be? There's a poodle. Poodle? Frog. Here I go. Let's see what I freaking get. Shielded toe. So, do I have eagle eye on? Wow. Eagle eye. Look at it. Yeah, I guess if they're sad, they're not gonna come. I guess if they're sad and you want to kill them, they aren't gonna fight back. Yeah, I'm gonna chase you down. Oh yeah, they'll fight back. But the thing is, I have to kill him. And if I die this, I'm over. Grab eagle eye. My shielded bunny has no match for you. Wee. You can't kill my shield. I'm shielded. Well, that's the end of the video. Bye.